Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get in the water in Heartopia. So basically what you'll need to do is you'll need to press W on your keyboard and you need to keep pressing W, and you'll need like another person to help you. Basically, they just need to hit you with their car, but make sure you press W on your keyboard or else it's not going to work. And as you can see here, I am underwater. And yeah, that is how you can kind of glitch yourself to be underwater in Heartopia. If you get stuck, you can just go back to your settings and reset your position. And that is it. This is just a fun, slow thing to try. You can actually take pictures inside too to show your friends you're underwater in this game. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.